Thank you, Elizabeth, for providing the reference photo of contract working dog Google Explosive Detection Dog. Elizabeth doesn't know much about CWD Google's past, but was glad to share this. Google is 9 years old and spent 7 years of his life in Kuwait as an explosive detection dog. It was told to me that he was one little working machine. After his handler left, he was kept on at the kennel to be a training dog for the new handlers. Elizabeth not only adopts these amazing animals, but helps in other much-needed ways. She has this to say about Mission Canine Rescue. I help sponsor the dogs that come from overseas ready for retirement. If you would like to sponsor one of these amazing animals, click on the link provided in the description. Thank you, Elizabeth, for adopting CWD Google, for supporting such a wonderful organization, and thank you, CWD Google, for your service.